CFO Systems out of Omaha, Nebraska, although we're located across the United States. And I do the XBRL tagging for our clients. I first used Inline XBRL for our last Q, so it would be the Q ending March 31, 2018. I knew the mandate was going to be coming. That's why I decided to switch this time. I wanted to have plenty of time to do it. I wanted to get used to it. And I had some reservations, but I thought this is the perfect time to do it since it's not mandated. The amount of work to make the switch was almost seamless. As far as going through and actually going through and doing the tagging, there really is no difference. You're finding the concepts, finding the facts. Everything else is basically the same. I would say, why hesitate? Because there's really no difference. I've seen no risk in making the change. That's why I would continue to do it. Yes, I would recommend it because you really don't notice any difference while you're going through the process. Yes, there's a little difference in how it shows up on the SEC site, but I actually looked and liked it that way, but I would do it again. So as far as the normal CFO, you're not going to see a difference, and so I would do it now.